Okay, good afternoon, class. So at this point, you guys have completed the fractions, skills, 10, 11, and 12, correct? So we're just going to mark it quickly. Yes, you're writing on chapter 1, 2, and 3. Okay? Skill 10. Skill 10 is on page 35. Right, so comparing the sizes of fractions. Now I know some of you can just look at the fraction and you can say which one is larger, not so? Okay, however, it's safer for you to equate the denominators first before you compare the numerator and then decide. Yes, Michael?
So, in an exam, if we have that question, must we do the calculations even if we know the answer just by looking at it?
You don't have to. It's just to be safe. Okay. So what we do is we're going to find an LCM first. Then what's the LCM between 11 and 7? 77. How do I get 77? I look at the larger denominator and I see how many 7 can go into that. Otherwise not, I count in multiples of 7. Sorry, 11. So 7 multiplied by what is 77? 11. So 5 times 11 is 55. And 11 times what is 77? 7. 9 times 7 is 63. So which one is larger? Therefore 63, sorry, 9 over 11 is larger.
So do we have
That's
to
all. Do we have to do it? No, but you could have done was, you could have written it as, therefore 5 over 7 is less than 9 over 11. Or 9 over 11 is more than 5 over 7. Yes?
We have to have a therefore sign.
No. Okay. What was your question, Michael?
This and what we do like this symbol.
Okay. People, let's look at number 2. So what's your LCM between 9 and 8? 72. Alright, so 9 multiplied what is 72? 8. So 64, correct? 8 multiplied by what is 72? 9. They're going to give you 60. So which one is larger? That one, not so. So therefore, 8 over 9 is larger than 7 over 8. Right, you guys got it? So you guys made no mistake so far, no? But just guessing. Alright. Let me know when you made a mistake if you did, like just guessing, okay? If it was an issue. People, let's look at number 3 and 4. What's your LCM in number 3? 99. So 11 multiplied what is 99? 9. 4 times 9 is? Okay. 9 multiplied by what is 99? 11. 5 multiplied by 11 is 55. So that is larger, not so? So therefore 4 over 11 is less than 5 over 9, or 5 over 9 is larger than 4 over 6, 4 over 11. You guys understand? Let's look at number 4. What's your LCM here? 28. So 4 multiplied by what is 28? 7. 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. 7 multiplied by what is 28? 4. 5 multiplied by 4 is? Which one is larger? 3 over 4 is larger. Okay. So if the denominators are the same, I'm just comparing numerators. So it's going to be 3 over 4 is larger than 5 over 7. You guys get that also right just by guessing? Wow, you guys are good. Yeah? That'll make the test a bit more challenging, you say? No, only joking. People, skill 11. Skill 11 is on page 35. Finding the fraction of quantities. Find 2/5 of 5. So what do we do with of? We replace it with multiplication. So it's 2 over 5 multiplied by 5 over 1. Is there anything that can cancel here? 5 going to 5 once, 5 going to 5 once. Anything that cancel here? No. 2 times 1 is? 1 times 1 is? Give an answer. Yes, Michael.
I got the same answer.
Well done to you. Now the round of applause.
I just did a different method. So like,
100%.
I didn't do that whole calculation. All I did was like realizing that it was out of 5, and then so I just wrote 2.
Well done to you.
No, but I would that be corrected in an exam?
Yes, I would have told you. 100%. She what she did was, she saw, okay, that's over 1. She put the times on top of there. And she got 2. Full marks. Okay. Yes, Michael.
I understand the question.
Okay. Yes.
So I also did
What method do you do?
I said 5 divided by the denominator, then I wrote the answer times the numerator, then I got the same.
It's exactly what we are doing.
So
Okay.
would it be- so
Yes.
would we still get the same amount of marks?
Yes. As long as it's something mathematical, you're going to get the mark. Okay. People, let's look at number 2. That's a quarter multiplied by 8 over. Is there anything I can cancel here? Yes. 4 going to 4 once, 4 going to 8. Good. The 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. Is given an answer? So are all the 4 of sums answer going to be 2? No. Okay, before you see a pattern, and you say, okay, now all the answers must be 2. Okay. Here we're talking about kilograms. Okay. So number 3. We are given 5 over 8 of 24 kilograms. So it's going to be 5 over 8 multiplied by 24 over. Anything can cancel here? 8 goes into 8 once. 8 going to 24? 3 times. 5 times 3 is? 15. 1 times 1 is? It gives you 15 kilograms. Okay. So 15 kilograms. You say 15 over 24. You'll get again an answer 5 over 8. Okay, but we'll speak more about that when we're busy with the ratio and proportion. Okay? And for now, that is your calculation. People looking at number 4 is 3/4 of 12. I know some of you can just say it's 9, no? Right? But not everybody is as sharp as you, so we say 3 over 4 of is multiplication, 12 over 1. So we go. 4 going to 4 once, 4 going to 12, 3 times. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9 over 1, which is 9. Since we have a SI unit there, it's going to be your kilograms. Any confusion? Any confusion, people? No. Move on with our lives. Skill 12. Express or expressing quantities as a fraction of each other. We still on page 35? Sorry, skill 12, not 13. 18 minutes of 2 hours. So what do we have to do first? We have to get it in the same measurement, not so. So which one is smaller? We normally make it in the smaller one, no? Which one is smaller? 1 minute is smaller than 1 hour. So we'll change the hours, not so. So 18 minutes of 2 hours. 2 hours, and how many minutes are in an hour? 60. So you multiply it by 60, which gives you 120 minutes. So in other words, it's going to be 18 over. What number goes into 120 and into 6 goes into 18? 3 times 6 goes into 120? 20 times. So the answer is? Yeah, 20. I'm not going to have the units there as minutes or whatever. That's gone. Yes, Michael.
Is it okay if I didn't simplify?
You left it at 18 over 120. Is it okay if I only give you 2 out of 3? Huh? No. So if you want all the marks, you must simplify. If you want to lose the last mark, you don't simplify. Yes, Michael?
Sir, do you have to write all the extra stuff?
No, you don't have to write it.
Because I only wrote x over 120 and then divide by 6.
4 marks. Okay. Anyone else? Yes, Michael?
So I'm confused.
What are you confused about?
I got the,
Did you got the same answer?
no, sir.
What do you have?
I got 36 minutes, but I think it was wrong.
Okay, so
I thought that if this was going to be in the case.
of course.
That's like this case. Like now.
No.
Okay,
In
what's
cycle.
the next
So they want you to write this as a fraction. So what we do is you're looking at 18 minutes over 2 hours. Now you can't simplify this because it needs to be in the same measurement. Okay. So it's going to be 18 minutes. So we must convert this to minutes. Okay. So how many minutes are there in an hour? 60. So it's 2 multiplied by 60. So that's now minutes. Can you see that? What's 2 multiplied by 60? 120. It's 18 over 120. So that's minutes. So of course that's not the same, so it's gone. Yeah? So we also say, okay, now this we simplify. Okay, so what number goes into 18 and 220? 3. 3 goes into 18? 6 times. 3 goes into 120? 40 times. What number goes into 6 and into 40? 2. 2 goes here 3, 2 goes here 20. So that is how we got 3 over 20. Okay? Any other confusion here? Let's look at number 2. We got 20 cents of 4 rand. So I got 20 cents over 4 rand. How many cents are there in a rand? 100. So 4 rand is how many cents? 400 cents. Now I can cancel. You guys understand? Huh? So what number goes into both? 20. 20 goes into 20 once, 20 goes into 40. Twice it is a 0. So 20 goes into 420 times. You all agree with that? Otherwise you could have first gone divide both sides by both numbers by 10. And that cancel gives you 2 over 40, and then 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 40. 20 times. Okay, if you want. So what's my answer here, people? 1 over 2. Yes?
I did the one that you showed previously where I did 2 over 40 and then 1 over
2 over 40.
yeah,
Yeah?
and then 1 over 20. That was like
What do you think? Is that right? Because you could have gone and said 5 goes into both first. So as long as you're simplifying and you're coming to this answer here, it's correct. Okay, I can't now do all the ways and okay, it will take forever and a day. Okay? Guys okay with that? This is the last 2 sums? Alright. Number 3. 32 centimeters of 2 meters. So it's going to be 32 centimeters of 2 meters. How many centimeters are there in a meter? 100. So it's going to be 32 centimeters over. Remember, multiplies by 100. So it's going to be 200 centimeters. So what number goes into 32 and 200 without the remainder? 8. 8 goes into here. 4 times. 8 goes into here. But it can't be 5. 8 goes into 100. 4 times. So it must give you? No. 8 goes 25. Did somebody say 25? So it's 4 over 25. Okay, so if that's a bit too much for you people, you go 32 over 200. 4 goes into here. 8 times, is that correct? And 4 goes into 200. 50 times. Then 2 goes into here 4 times, 2 goes into here 25. So it's 4 over 25. You guys understand? And then the last one, 4 months of 2 years. So 4 months of 2 years. How many months are there in a year? 12 months. It's 4 months. 2 times 12? 24 months. So 4 goes into 4 once. 4 goes into 24? 6 times. The answer is? 1 over 6. Is there any confusion here, people? Okay. That brings us to the end of this chapter. Okay.